All right, so we've covered scene safety, taking action, making sure we're protected the entire way through. The last step is going to be, if you have treated that person in any way, if you've done anything for them, make sure to stay with that patient until the EMTs or paramedics come. And when they do, you're going to do a quick handoff. And what I mean by that is you're going to tell that paramedic or EMT generally what happened, the treatment you provided, and they will take it from there. They're going to want a couple pieces of information from you, so make sure you do that good handoff. Again, when you buy the Pro kit, you get the training for free. So you get the best tools and the best training on the planet, and you're prepared for any vehicle accident or anything else out there. And last thing, if you've used anything out of your first aid kit in any situation, make sure you get that resupply. Make sure your first aid kit is 100% stacked, good to go at all times. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.